guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, be sure to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up before you start, and be sure to drop down in the comment section below if you have any more videos you'd like for me to do. And in today's YouTube video, we're going to be unboxing a package I received from Phonto University. I'm assuming it's the tablet, I don't know, but y'all, I'm out of breath. I just came from bartending school and everything, and like, I'm so tired. Should be an easy way to open this. Pull here. If this is the tablet, yes it is. It's the tablet. Guys, I am in week 2. I'm in month 2, week 2, so this is when you'll be getting your tablet. I am in a digital cinematography program, and I am in Houston. It's a little letter that says, congratulations on your progress with Full Sail. This is a piece of item from the launch box. Please note that you are responsible for reporting damage or missing within blah, 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 blah. Okay, you can read this on your own. This one is the 6th generation, so it has 32 gigabytes, you know, additional information. So this is what it looks like. I'm assuming I've never had a tablet or anything. Well, I've had a tablet. It was an Android tablet, but I've never had, besides my phone, I've never had any Apple products. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut it open. Hopefully I'll get this right. I don't want to drop it. It's like opening a phone, right? And let me go ahead and take the top off. I'll take the top off and make it back. I can't even get it open, I'm not gonna lie to you. Oh, almost dropped it already. So I'm for sure getting a protective case for it, because I feel like with month 2, it's gonna be easier to do your reading on this instead of getting your computer and stuff like that. Here is what the tablet looks like. It's all wrapped up, and it is, I want to say, space gray. iPad, I keep saying tablet, same thing. Instructions, I'm not gonna read that. You know, I never read instructions. Yeah. And then we have charger box, which, yeah, whatever. We have our charger, we have our box. And so let's go ahead and turn it on. I'm childish. All right, let me go ahead and turn it on. So apparently it was dead. So you have to put the charger in there for it to turn on. It's not like getting iPhone out the box and just turning it on. So I'm gonna go ahead and sit it down, and then we're gonna go ahead and go through the little signing up, signing in process. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and go with English, United States. Let me go ahead. All right, guys, so this is what it looks like. Everything is all set up and different things like that. We'll do that later. And that's it. That's pretty much it. You have, oh my God, this is gonna be so fun to edit my YouTube videos on, like not even playing. After you do that, there's a bunch of different things you have to go through. Let me turn the camera around. So there's different things you have to go through, obviously, like setting up your fingerprint, your passcode, logging into your Wi-Fi, and different things like that. And then you'll be done. Let me go ahead and show y'all what it looked like. And that's that. So it's gonna be really fun to edit on here. And let me know when you receive yours. Again, I am in month 2. Week 2. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you're new to my channel, be sure to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up before it even start. And if you want to know where I get my protective case from, because I know I drop everything, let me know down in the comment section below. See you guys in my next YouTube video. Thank you for watching.